BTT holders, one thing, my friends, one point which I noted from this all month, my brother. Sometime we will never expect to this coin will pumps up, but they will urgently, suddenly starting moving upward very fastly, and they will get a very huge profit. So therefore, I cannot expect, my friends, to in upcoming term they will moving upward. But experts say, my friends, too, in the first November, the very huge explosion, the very big pump is coming soon. So therefore, I can't expect also today. But when I see, my friends, the expert advices, the technical analysis of, my friends, BTT, and, my friends, the traits of, my friends, BTT CEO, so I also, my friends, notice some few reasons, my friends, so this is possible to they will completely go to the moon in the 1st November. And I'm also going to discuss now this all with you, my friend, in this video. But kindly please, first of all, if you are new my channel, I will research for you, my viewers, my subscribers. So you just subscribe this channel and watch my 2-minute video. I am 100% sure you will never need to research personally. You will never need, my friends, to do anything. Just and only you will watch my 2-minute video and go to sleeping, and when you wake up, 100% you will get a very huge profit. So don't miss this video, my friend. Let's start, but kindly subscribe this channel. Please press the bell icon for videos notification. All right, so yes, this time, as you can see, my friend, from last 7 days, BTT price will pumps up, and this all month, my friends, the BTT price will pumps up, and I'm so happy because I am also holder. All right, so my friend, my prediction is 100% going positive, because, my friend, this time the short time investor are stop selling. So my friends, when short time investors stop selling, then 100% the price increase. So therefore, I hope to the price will more increasing. But in the 1st November, my friends, especially short time investors are starting selling. But don't worry, this is very good for long term investor. The CEO, my friends, personally says to in upcoming time we will going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So, my friend, therefore, if they will start in collaboration, then you never expect, my friends, to the price will pumps up and get 1.0.1 USD dollar, very huge target, my friend. Then I hope this is possible if they will, my friends, if the CEO personally, my friends, starting collaboration. So I hope, my friends, they will completely go to the moon. But kindly holders, you will also need to hold down, don't starting selling. And, my friends, the experts also says to the price will pumping up, because long term investor are stop selling. So therefore, I hope to the price will also more and more pumps up. Otherwise, let's see, my friends. But kindly please, you must just only subscribe this channel and check out the latest update on this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.